Who knows? The island on your left are towards the door. But feel free to do your own thing. Improvise with your own ordinary movements. So Mark is now back on track. He's doing the anti-clockwise manoeuvre around the island, coming alongside Rembrandt Gardens, under the watchful eye of Roger.
For example, I was here last year, and I went back to the gym, not thinking much about it, and never got out again. Yeah. So I didn't vote until...
So Mark's next job is to come alongside the pontoon and do a drink with Bunny, our judge who's stood on the pontoon. So Mark, having done the meeting of greeting of Fanny, he's now going to reverse Rachel all the way back in between the two boys to finish the course. About to clear the boys. Can we give Mark and Rachel a big round of applause, please? So, Marky, you might just want to go in reverse a little bit. Mark, reverse. Mark, reverse. And on the way of Jason, please. Oh. I told you anything could happen when he came in. Sorry about that, Jason Strip, but yeah, he is professional. Get out of the way now. Okay, we're just going to allow Jason to take up their mooring on the hall bridge before we bring in the next professor. I'm board for me, and out of two.
So young. No, so young. This was the front one. Yeah. Sorry.
One around, get some lunch.
Maybe no. See the cactus.
Well, that's what's around for applause, if nothing else.
Alright, I'll wait here.
What are you doing above?
Wait, finish it, because number is on. You are right. I was thinking like a short one.
Heron is a 40-foot JT boat, narrowboat, powered by a Gaia engine. She's been with her current owner Williams for the last 9 years and a regular attendee at Canalway Cavalcade. Moored at Willow Creek Marina on the Paddington arm of the Grand Union Canal, just a few miles west of where we are right now.
Your grandfather survived.
خودم هم لوری بهت نشون میدم.
Not all forward drive with Eric, and we have now pulled out of the competition. Just some all the way that took doing backwards.
No, I really should.